Hello everybody, I'm Sean from Amomii, and today we're going to be unboxing the Amomii UNO. So you can see we've got this little box here with the nice logo on the front, and on the back we got some details about the product. Let's take a look. Alright, let's have a look at the insert. So we've got a nice insert here that bends out like this. On the back it's got a useful pinout diagram, some safety warnings and information about the warranty, and inside it's got some technical specifications and details about where you can download all of the digital assets. We'll look at the digital assets in a different video. Inside of the anti-static bag, that's where you've got all of the actual components. Let's rip it open. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable, because the port on the Amomii UNO is a USB-C, but most computers still have the USB-A port. However, if you do have your own USB-C to USB-C cable, it will work just fine. Next up, you also get some spare headers and a JST XH connector here as well, and they can be soldered to the auxiliary pins here on the Amomii UNO, and then you've got quick access for UART, I2C, ground and 5 volts. Which is pretty useful for a more advanced user. Another couple of differences are we've got the USB-C port rather than the USB-A port on the original Arduino UNO, and we have higher power handling capabilities because of the ICs chosen here. Other than that, it's functionally pretty much exactly the same. That's it. Bye.